Unit 1. What do you do? Hi there.
Hi, how's it going?
I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good. Thanks for asking. So, what do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher.
Really? What subject do you teach?
I teach English.
That sounds interesting. Do you enjoy teaching?
Yes, I love it. It's very rewarding.
How long have you been teaching?
I've been teaching for 5 years.
5 years. That's a long time. What made you want to become a teacher?
I've always enjoyed helping others learn. What about you? What do you do?
I'm a software developer.
A software developer? That sounds challenging. Do you like it?
Yes, I do. It's challenging but also very exciting.
How long have you been a developer?
I've been doing it for 3 years now.
Do you work for a company or are you freelance?
I work for a tech company.
What kind of projects do you work on?
Mostly web applications. I enjoy creating things that people find useful.
That sounds great. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I love playing the guitar and hiking. What about you?
I enjoy reading and painting in my free time.
That's wonderful. It's nice to have hobbies that you are passionate about.
Absolutely. It's important to have a good work-life balance.
I couldn't agree more.
Unit 2. How was your vacation? Hi. Did you enjoy your weekend?
Yes, it was great.
What did you do?
I went to a music concert.
Really? Who did you go with?
I went with my friends from college.
Which band did you see?
We saw the Moonlight Band.
Have you seen them before?
No, it was my first time.
How was the concert?
It was amazing. The music was fantastic, and the crowd was energetic.
Did you get good seats?
Yes, we were pretty close to the stage.
Did you buy any merchandise?
Yes, I got a t-shirt and a poster.
What about your friends? Did they enjoy it too?
Yes, they loved it. We all had a great time.
How late did the concert go?
It ended around 11 p.m.
Will you go to their concert again if they come back?
Definitely. I can't wait for their next show.
That sounds like a lot of fun.
It really was. I hope you can join us next time.
Unit 3. Talking about hobbies. Hi there.
Hey, how's it going?
I'm good, thanks. What about you?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. What do you like to do in your free time?
I love reading books. How about you?
I enjoy playing guitar.
That's interesting. How long have you been playing?
I've been playing for about 5 years now.
Wow, that's impressive. Do you play in a band?
No, I usually play solo, just for fun.
That sounds relaxing. What kind of music do you like to play?
I like playing a mix of rock and blues.
Cool. Have you ever performed in front of an audience?
Yes, a few times at small gatherings.
That must have been exciting. What's your favorite song to play?
I really enjoy playing Stairway to Heaven by Led Zeppelin.
Nice choice. Do you have any other hobbies besides playing guitar?
I also enjoy hiking in the mountains.
That sounds like a great way to stay active. Have you hiked any challenging trails?
Yes, I've hiked a few difficult trails in the nearby national parks.
That's adventurous. Do you go hiking alone or with friends?
I usually go with a small group of friends who also enjoy hiking.
It's good to have company on long hikes. What do you like most about hiking?
I love being close to nature and the feeling of accomplishment when reaching the summit.
That's wonderful. Do you have any other outdoor activities you enjoy?
I also like camping and exploring new places.
Camping sounds like fun. Where's the most memorable place you've camped?
I once camped near a lake in the mountains. The view of the stars at night was breathtaking.
That sounds amazing. It must have been a peaceful experience.
It was indeed very peaceful and rejuvenating.
Well, It sounds like you have some wonderful hobbies. Thanks for sharing.
My pleasure. What about you? Any other hobbies besides reading?
I also enjoy cooking and trying out new recipes.
That's great. Cooking can be so creative and rewarding.
Definitely. It's a relaxing way to unwind after a busy day.
Absolutely. What's your favorite dish to cook?
I love making pasta dishes from scratch.
Homemade pasta is the best. Do you have a favorite sauce to go with it?
I enjoy making a creamy garlic and mushroom sauce.
That sounds delicious. Now I'm getting hungry just thinking about it.
Haha, cooking can have that effect. Do you enjoy trying different cuisines?
Yes, I like experimenting with flavors from different cultures.
It's a great way to broaden your culinary skills.
Absolutely. Cooking and playing guitar seem like very fulfilling hobbies for both of us.
Definitely. It's nice to have activities that bring joy and relaxation.
Couldn't agree more.
Unit 4. Do you remember me? Hey, is that Sarah?
Ooh, yeah. Do you remember me from high school?
I'm sorry. I don't remember you. Were we in the same class?
Yes, and we were in the same club too.
Really? Which club was that?
The drama club. You were one of the lead actors.
That's right. How did you know?
I used to help with the costumes and sets.
I'm sorry. I don't remember you.
It's okay. It was a long time ago.
Well, anyway, it's nice to see you again. Jessica, right?
Yes, Jessica Lee.
See, so I do remember you. Okay, so where do you live now?
I live in a house in the suburbs.
Do you live with your family?
No, my family moved to another state.
They must like it there.
Yes, they love it.
So, do you live alone?
No, I share the house with a roommate.
Really? A roommate? Is she a friend?
Yes, she's a friend from college. We've been friends for a long time.
How about you, Sarah? Where do you live?
Oh, I rent a small apartment by myself.
Do you like it there?
Yeah, but it's a bit small.
Maybe you should look for a bigger place.
I might, but I like the location.
That's important too.
Yes, it really is.
Unit 5. I like your style. Hey, I like your shirt.
Thanks. It's new. I got it last week.
Did you get anything else?
No, just the shirt.
Where did you get it?
I got it from the weekend market.
How much did it cost?
It cost about $12.
Really? That didn't cost too much at all.
Yeah, it's a good price.
Do you like to wear hats?
Yeah, I like to wear hats, but only in the winter when it's cold.
What do you think about fashion?
I think it's important to stay fashionable.
Do you have a pierced ear?
No, I don't have a pierced ear.
Do you have a tattoo?
Yes, I do.
Oh, what's your tattoo of?
It's a big blue scary monster.
Really? Wow, are you serious?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay, here's my tattoo. Unit 6, Family. Do you have any brothers and sisters?
I have one sister.
Who is older, you or your sister?
My sister is older than me.
Do you get along with your sister?
Yes, we get along okay.
How about your parents?
My father passed away many years ago.
I'm sorry to hear that.
My mother is fine, though. She is very strong and likes to work.
What does your mother do?
She teaches at a university.
That's great. What does she teach?
She teaches psychology.
Oh, psychology. I understand now. How about you? Are you married?
I'm not married yet. I had a girlfriend for many years, but we broke up.
I'm sorry to hear that. Unit 7. Returning a shirt to the store. Can I return this?
What is it?
It's a shirt.
What's wrong with it?
Nothing is wrong with it. It just doesn't fit.
Is the color wrong?
No, the color is fine, but the size is much too small.
Do you remember when you bought it?
I didn't buy the shirt.
Who bought it?
My friend bought it.
Do you remember when your friend bought it?
She bought it last week.
Okay, good. Do you have the receipt?
As a matter of fact, I do.
Let me have the shirt and the receipt, please. Would you like to exchange it for a larger size?
Can I get cash back instead?
No, but I can give you store credit.
What is that?
Well, the shirt was $19.99, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Well, I can give you a store coupon good for $19.99, or you can exchange this shirt for a larger size.
Okay, I'll take the coupon.
Okay, thank you.